Hi students, in this video I will show you how to type the final copy of your conditional essay. So let's just say, good job, you're here. You're going to do your last step of your essay. I'm so proud of you for working so hard. So please listen to this video. I'm going to teach you a way to do it kind of fast, make it easier for you, and then you can turn it in, okay? So watch the video, you're doing that. Open your introduction and conclusion paragraph and body paragraphs. So you can see I have my introduction paragraph and conclusion over here and my body paragraphs. If you can't find yours, you can search your Google Drive for, just type in the word conditional and you should probably see these pop up. Or you can go back to Google Classroom and look at the old assignment and you should see your work there. Okay, then type your essay, click on this document that I have added for you. It will make a copy for you and I can see your work on that copy. And then you're going to follow the directions. So you're going to type your name up here where it says, mine says Miss Cruz. Then you read the paragraph. Sorry, I need to fix something quick here. And delete it when you finish your essay. So go to a new line, press tab to indent. You see it already indented for me, so I don't actually need to press tab. Copy the sentences from your introduction paragraph. All right, so here's the trick. Here's my introduction paragraph. I already worked really hard here typing them and checking them. So you can just go over here and put them side by side and look at it and retype them. But you could also highlight it, copy it, paste it. When I paste it, it took away my tab, so I'm going to indent it again. After a punctuation mark, like a period or a question mark, you need a space. Then I copy my next sentence, make sure I get the period, paste. Okay, put my cursor back up to that period, add a space, copy my third sentence, paste. Here, or space after the period, copy the fourth one, paste. Wow, look at that. That was easy, right? Now I do see a problem. My paragraph is single spaced, not double spaced like up here, but we can fix that. Highlight the part that you want to change. Go to the lines with the up-down arrow. That means line spacing. Just click on double. There we go. First paragraph done. All right. Then it says, now copy the sentences from body paragraph 1. Oh, I forgot this one. Press enter and indent. So here I am. I'm going to press enter. It indented for me. And now I go to my body paragraph 1. Remember that I have another page here with the conclusion paragraph, but that's not until the end. So I'm now going to leave this document and go to my slides here. So I added on here the numbers for you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you see which order to put them in. It should work. Let's see if we can copy and paste here too. Copy, paste. Okay, it took away my indent, so I'm going to press tab. Put a space, go to my next sentence, copy, paste. I'm going to keep doing that. Hopefully you did add your high-level words already and highlighted them. If you didn't, you're still going to have to do that. You can see that I underlined, but I don't have 3, so I forgot to do something. I need some extra work, right? So I'm going to keep going until I have all 11 of these done on here. And I'm going to always go back and look at that space between the period and the capital letter. I need an actual space there. I can't just leave it right next to each other. All right. I'll show you how to finish one paragraph at least. Then I'll just explain the rest of it. And then this video will be over and you can get to work. By the way, as you're thinking about ending this one, I want you also to think about, especially the grammar in this one. Anytime you typed the words will, you need to erase it and change it to would. If you have the word can, you need to change it to could. All right, here's my paragraph. Highlight the whole thing, change it to double. Then I click enter. And I go to my body paragraph 2, and I do the same thing. I will click enter, go to body paragraph 3, do the same thing. At the very end, I need to go back to my conclusion. So remember, you have 3 sentences here. In conclusion, and you say your thesis again, your 3 main ideas, and the goodbye statement. All right, now here's some important steps that I don't want you to skip. Highlight 3 high-level vocabulary words in each paragraph. So like here's one of my vocabulary words. To highlight, you press the highlighter and you just pick your color. Yellow works well because I can still see it. So you need to do that for your body paragraphs. And then read your paragraph or your essay out loud to yourself. As you're reading it, you will probably hear something that you typed wrong, and now is your chance to fix it. You don't need to go back and fix it on your draft. I'm not really checking that to see if it's correct, just if it's done. This final copy is where I see, did you do your work correctly? So go ahead and read it out loud, listen for mistakes. I also want to remind you that if you want to have a partner check it for you, it's not too late. On our essay lesson plans here, there's been a lot of additions to having a partner check. So if you want to have a partner check, you can sign up by clicking on this document and following the directions. You can also, if you know somebody in the class that you want to check for you, and you have their information, just go ahead and call them, text them, send them an email and say, hey, will you read my essay, please? And tell me if there's anything wrong with it, and I can check yours. A great idea to do that step. All right, guys, I'm so excited to read your essays. I know you've been working really hard, and I'm really proud of you. I miss you, and I hope you're doing well.